One, two, three, four.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for
Apple,
apple means
shape,
B for
ball,
ball means
game,
C for
cat,
cat means
billy,
D for
dog,
dog means
kutta,
E for
elephant,
elephant means
hathi,
F for
fish,
fish means
machili,
G for
gun,
gun means
bandook,
S for
hen,
hen means
murgi,
I for
ice cream,
ice cream means
ice cream,
J for
jug,
jug means
jug,
K for
kite,
kite means
patang,
L for
lion,
lion means
sher,
M for
mango,
mango means
arm,
N for
nest,
nest means
gosla,
O for
orange,
orange means
santra,
P for
parrot,
parrot means
tota,
Q for
queen,
queen means
rani,
R for
rat,
rat means
chuha,
S for
sun,
sun means
suraj,
T for
tree,
tree means
ped,
U for
umbrella,
umbrella means
chata,
V for
van,
van means
gadi,
W for
watch,
watch means
घड़ी,
X for
X-ray,
X-ray means
X-ray,
Y for
yak,
Yak means
पहाड़ी सांड.
Z for
Zebra.
zebra means
चीटीदार घोड़ा.
बच्चों
One, two, three, four.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We kids.
One to 100 numbers. Zero, 0. One, 1. Two, 2. Three. Four, 4. Five. Six. 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. TEN 10. ELE